All right, what's up, YouTube? So I'm a little excited. I finally got my hands on the new packout tilt system. So my first impression is pretty good. On the construction, solid overall. The locking mechanism does add weight. It is pretty heavy. We're gonna get a scale on it, see how much weight, and then we'll compare it to this one as well. So yeah, let's get to it. First thing is, these paper labels are not gonna last. You're basically better off just getting like a label maker and putting some yourself, but we'll get to that. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's get the weight on this thing. So we're sitting at almost 20 pounds. So this is gonna be 20 pounds.